did you like this project? Did you like this project? And do you want to make exactly the same? Did you? Do you? Do you want this? Okay guys, I have a kit for you. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you what's all inside the kit. So everything is inside. What I used, you can use. So we have the flowers. We have the ribbon set with the lace. We have, of course, this beautiful shiny lace for the spine that I used. This whole embellishment set is inside, included the washi tape. Then, of course, the closures I used. Of course, this big 78 sheets in total Celestial Moth paper collection. Love that. Look how thick this is. So that is inside. The black bookbinders linen is inside. And the 2mm chipboard is inside. And of course a welcome note, but that I still need to write. Alright, so that is all inside. Do you like this? Then just send me an email. My email is to be found under every video. If you like this, please send me an email, guys, and I will send it to you. I do send worldwide. Just ask me through the mail, please. Send me an email. The email is to be found under each video. And I will answer right away. At least. I do my best. Alright, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you next year. Bye bye.